I welcome you to the new session of International College. Today begins your transformation from a student to a professional. This is the age of super specialization, and we groom you to be a super specialized professional through intense training. Apart from classroom studying, you shall be made to interact with industry veterans and subject matter experts who will prepare you to face the real corporate world with an edge over your peers. You have chosen to be in the right place at the right time. All the best, get set, and be ready to change your life for the better.
Hello, welcome to International College of Financial Planning. This is a launchpad where your journey as an aspiring finance professional will take off. We are backed by more than 50 years of trust in finance by the parent company Bajaj Capital Limited. They are one of the largest houses of wealth management in India at this point of time, and we try to synthesize their knowledge, expertise and experience into our curriculums, MBA Financial Analysis and Financial Planning for your benefits. As a matter of fact, the curriculums you undergo at ICFP are directly industry relevant. We make sure that these curriculums help you not just join the industry but also grow with a big boost in your life. The knowledge that you gather at ICFP is incubated not just through theory, but in fact through a lot of cases, projects and assignments which will increase your understanding about the real world. As a matter of fact, we don't just believe into giving the knowledge which is domestically relevant. Now that you are living into the global world, we need to make sure whatever you learn and understand is internationally relevant. Hence, our programs are perfect synthesization of some of the best finance qualifications around the world. Hence, I'm very optimistic that if you join this college and also that if you're the right candidate for us, we might make a very good combination ultimately to the benefit of this industry and to the world as a whole. You can see our efforts bring in the result into the placement statistics and data over the last many years. You will see that our candidates are holding multiple offers in their hands. You will see that ICFP over the last years has been successfully able to place most of its candidates into the industry with some respectable companies. So if in case you're looking to join one of our programs and you truly believe in specialization, then be prepared for a solid round of knowledge and career boost. Wish you all the best and thank you so much.
Employability, enterprise and entrepreneurship. The three most important words that make a great deal of difference to us. Hi, my name is Professor Gulbash Dugul. If there is anything that sets us apart as a college is our firm conviction to prepare students for its fruitful career. I welcome you to the exciting world of creativity and innovation at the International College of Fashion. ICF has an array of successful alumni as design entrepreneurs who have gone through the rigors of both practical learning and theoretical lectures, beautifully woven together within the industry integrated programs, and successfully then married away to the industry experience and networking. Future is constantly being designed at ICF. Come, be a part of it.
Good morning everyone, I'm Shalini and I'm from Chandigarh, and I have done my BCom also, my MBA also, and right now I'm pursuing PGDFP from this college ICFP, and thanks to ICFP that has given me such a splendid and good opportunity to do this kind of super specialty course in financial planning. And after doing this course, I learned so many technical skills, fundamental skills of markets which I would not have learned if I would not in this college. So I really thankful to this college, and I have placed in India Infoline. From last 2 months I'm working there, and even I have got very good clients by getting good knowledge from this college. So I'm really thankful to ICFP. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Devleena and I have done my PGDFP from ICFP, and literally I was not knowing anything about finance, but I can proudly say that I'm placed in a merit prize and I'm really happy with the college. Our teachers taught me really well and I was literally knowing nothing, but now I know a lot of finance.
Hi, I'm Devendra. I am pursuing my PGDFP and MBA from ICFP. I am currently placed in ICL, and my overall experience is pretty good here. Overall knowledge and everything we get from placement here is excellent.
Good morning, my name is Aman and I am placed in India Infoline and I am doing MBA from ICFP. So my experience regarding ICFP was very good. I got to learn various things which I don't knew, and it gave me a good opportunity to learn and get in touch with the finance sector. And just now I'm working with India Infoline. So it is in firm which is in finance sector. So I'm getting a motivation regarding it. And I'm thinking that I'll be getting a progress in this sector as soon as possible. And I'll be working hard for it.
Hi, this is Aishwarya. The overall experience of the college has been really amazing. It started with the orientation program, then followed by freshers party. Everything was great from the starting as well. Then came the student council thing. I was a part of the student council, which helped me to gain confidence. Then there were so many curricular activities. Then we had a fest, an outing to Rishikesh. Everything was overall an amazing experience. Then as promised by the placement team, I got placed in Religare.
मैं कुमार कलेल पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी से मैंने LLB किया और उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि मैं दिल्ली में बेस्ट कॉलेज ज्वाइन करूं, तो मुझे SUFP इंटरनेशनल कॉलेज ऑफ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग एक कॉलेज मिला जिसमें मुझे MBA फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग में मैं कर रहा हूं। मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। यहाँ की एजुकेशन सिस्टम जो है, यहाँ की फैकल्टीज़ जो है वो बढ़िया है। एजुकेशन के बारे में इंडिया में बेहतर कॉलेज जो भी है वो ICFP में कहूँगा। उसके बाद जो करियर के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो प्लेसमेंट ऐसी जगह इन्होंने किया है कि पूरी कंसंट्रेशन जो मुझे खुद जो चाहिए था उस सेक्टर मुझे दे दिया। एक लीडिंग कैंडिडेट बन के मुझे भेजा, एक अच्छा फाइनेंशियल प्लानर बनाया। इन सारी चीज़ों पे कॉलेज ध्यान देता है, जैसे फैमिली मेम्बर की तरह हर चीज़ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व की जाती है।
Hello, I'm Ria and I'm studying fashion entrepreneurship at ICF, and I'm really glad to be a part of it as I'm already in the heart of business and I'm creating these stores, accessory stores, which is a great hit with the help of our mentors from our college. And with the curriculum of our studies, I'm already making some money with it.
Hi, myself. My name is Mohammad Usman. I am a student of International College of Financial Planning. Right now, I am doing MBFP and PGDFP from International College of Financial Planning. I had a great experience in International College of Financial Planning. I get training in SCL and I get a job in Citibank. Right now, I am preparing for my exam also. So after that, we're getting a job and then please it.
Myself Deepak Kumar, I am from Bihar and I am from ICFP. I am doing postgraduate diploma in financial planning and I am from International College of Financial Planning. Recently I am placed in SCL. I am very glad to work in this big brand and I am a payroll on Citibank. I am very happy to say that when I am here for the organization, I am not think that I am able to get this type of opportunity to benefit it with a good placements of these teams. If I talk about the faculty, it was a super and awesome. It's totally helpful, and today I am say that I have choose ICFP and it was one of my best organization. I must say that.
Hello, my name is Simran Kaur. I am from International College of Fashion. I am pursuing BBA in Fashion Entrepreneurship and I am very happy as being a part of this college. I started up my accessories venture in the first year of my studies, education. And the faculty here is a good support with me. I was in school, I have seen only the glamorous part of the fashion, but the time when I entered this college, I knew about the hardship and the hard work which is done behind making this glamorous world.
Hello, I am Nabia from ICF. I have been studying BBA in Fashion Entrepreneurship. Initially, when I joined this course, I was not knowing about this course and this industry at all. But in this, I was just knowing that it is about designing and designing. But in this 1 year of span time, I got to know a lot. Inspired, not just designing, I got to know about this management and business, how to do business in fashion.
This is Rohit Pasrija and I am student here of MBA plus PGDFP. I am satisfied with this college, with faculties, with you can say the placement team. Thanks to everyone.
Hello, myself is Ajay Kuryal. I am pursuing MBA from finance here in ICFP. I recently got a placement from here in Peerless Mutual Fund, which is established in 1932. and I'm satisfied with from my job. And yes, here the faculty is very good, knowledgeable. They provide us a tremendous amount of knowledge, which now helping in our professional life. So I approach you all to join ICFP.
Hi myself, my name is Mohammad Usman. I am a student of International College of Financial Planning and I am doing MBSP and PGDFP from International College of Financial Planning. I had a great experience in International College of Financial Planning. I get training in SCL and I get a job in Citibank. Right now I am preparing for my exam also. So after that we're getting a job and then please it.
Hi, my name is Sugandha Shahi and I'm studying in ICF and this is my ICF friends.
Hi, I'm Nikhil Khanna. Well, talking about my college, the experience has been great thus far. It's been almost a year since we guys are here now, and everything as promised has been as per schedule and as per whatever we guys were told earlier. The teachers have been extremely helpful and kind to all of us. They have abided by whatever the principles and the rules were there, and at each stage they have given us whatever they could possibly do for our welfare and what they thought was good for us. And as far as the placement is also concerned, we guys were told earlier that we'll all be placed at a good enough package, which is exactly what it's being done. A special thanks to Mrs. Meenu Basin, who has taken way more than what she was supposed to do efforts as far as that is concerned, and she's gone out of her way to help us and make us apply in different companies, give us CVs at various places, make sure they're shortlisted there, and give our reference, give our suggestions and all there to make sure we guys get into the best of companies. I personally warrant Fidelity right now and I'm very happy with the company, and yeah, good job, keep it up guys. Make sure everyone gets placed in a similar way.
तुम हो गुनगुनाने की वजह तुम हो जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना ओरे पिया रे जिया जाए ना जाए ना जाए ना ओरे